Actually, maganda. Well, thank you sa that first win and masaya dahil hindi maganda yung pinagdaanan namin yung mga past 3 games na. Yung kanina, masaya ako sa team kasi especially in third set dahil again, bumalik uli yung dating character namin na kaya namin kumapit at tapusin yung game. I think yun yung wala nung mga last 3 games namin especially yung game against Akari and game against Petrogas na for me kaya namin manalo doon pero nawala kasi yung ganung element yung may magli-lead sa ganung crunch time tapos may mag-stop para mag-huddle especially pag ubos na yung timeout ko. Yun naman yung in-explain ko sa kanila na in the past 3 games middle of the set palang ubos na yung timeout ko so I need someone to step up and lead the situation na kailangan mag-huddle kayo kasi nararattle na uli, meron dapat talaga taong magagano'n. So I think kanina nagawa naman nila yun. Nagawa namin kumapit and eventually natapos yung game.
And for your first win with Cherry Vigo, I guess how does it feel to be able to overcome that rough start for Cherry and finally get a win?
Thank you. Of course, it's feeling good to win finally. We wasn't struggling in the first game. Things don't go in how we want, and we just continue work, continue believing what the coach say, and we still have a chance to make big stuff in the competition.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Paul, syempre, mabigat nga yung first 3 losses. Sa inyo, as coach, paano nyo lang pinanatiling motivated yung team sa kabila first 3 games?
Well, sa akin, kailangan magsimula talaga sa akin maging matibay ako. Although pag, alam nyo nun, yung, syempre, tao ka lang din naman na merong frustration na nararamdaman, di ba? Especially, nakita ko na kasi na kaya naman namin umangat yung level ng game namin, especially nung on tour, pati naman yung, pati yung sa invitational. Yun lang din, lagi ko sinasabi na wag give up, wag mag-disappoint na mahaba pa yung tournament, yung format niya, tuloy-tuloy pa. Talagang trabaho lang everyday. So sa akin parang ayaw ako makita sa kanila na yun na yung pag-down, para as possible iniiwasan ko yun na mapakita sila na down ako because ito yung standing yung record ng games namin. Yun lang, kailangan ko talaga maging matibay for that. Para, magtuloy-tuloy pa rin kami sa pagtrabaho.
For Uni, how did you endure the first 3 games, the first 3 losses, and how did you stay motivated for the team?
I think your team is an amazing team. They are fighter. So when I go inside to the court, they are giving me this vibe to fight, to continue working. The coaches, the management. So this is the key. When you lose a game, you just need to learn from that. Okay, we are a sport woman, we are human, so we just need to learn from this and try every time to give our best and try better next time.
Coach, ano lang masabi niyo sa pinapakita ni Uni sa team so far?
I'm happy na naukuha niya na yung ng game niya, yung kung ano talaga yung ina-expect namin sa kanya. And I'm happy na nakikita kasi namin siya, for me, she's coachable. Na, Uni, I want you to do this. Uni, I want you to hit this direction. I want you to hit this 3 times. It's a training. So nakikita ko na nag-a-adapt siya, submissive naman siya sa coach, sa amin. So yun yung one thing na ina-admire ko sa kanya.
Coach,
very coachable.
Coach, during those 3 games selection, 0-3 start, pero ano lang yung mga lessons learned para sa team, para sa iba?
Yun, everyday, doon sa mga losses na yun, before we start the practice, I show to them the numbers, ito yung nangyari sa atin, ito yung kulang, ito yung kailangan i-fill in doon sa ano na yun. Tapos yun, in-explain ko na mahaba pa yung format ng tournament, pero syempre, as a coach, hindi naman pwedeng laging ganun lang. Kailangan meron ng manalo kung simulat, eventually magsunod-sunod na yun na walang gigiba, kailangan talagang tiyagain to, na nagawa na namin to doon sa on-tour, sa kasi invitation na coming din sa ganung level, pero eventually umangat naman kami. So yun yung mga hopes namin, na sana talaga mangyari.
Uni, Of course, as a player, you don't want to lose. It's a 0-3 start, but you finally go through. How did you handle the frustrations and overcame?
How I said before, we need to learn from our mistake. Every game, you need to see the positive way, because you can change that. So we just need to learn from this. Every day we go practice hard and try our best.
Coach, next game nyo is a pool B, streamline, tough opponent ulit. Paano lang makakatulong tong win na to heading into that match?
Itong game kasi na to, ito na yung, alam mo yun, yung, hindi pa siya 100%, pero ito na yung ina-expect kong galawan talaga ng Cherry Vigo, plus the, addition of our import. So, nandun na siya, nakita na namin siya, ito yung mga ina-expect namin dun sa past 3 games namin eh. So yun ang importante nangyari ngayon. So kailangan lang talaga namin dumoble pa ng trabaho. Tapos good thing na may enough time to prepare for this. Sana yun lang, since madalas naman na namin nakakalaban ng Creamline. So alam niyo yun, yung mga strategies na nagawa namin before, tapos kung ano pa yung kailangan i-improve namin, ma-apply namin sa training. Eventually, sana mag-translate siya sa game sa next week na game namin sa Creamline.
Uni, for you, going up against the defending champions of this tournament, I guess, what are your thoughts heading into that match, especially after getting this win?
For me, every game is different, every game is tough. I respect all the opponents. And me, as a player, I will just follow what coach said. I trust them, I trust their instructions, and that's it, and we go to fight.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Uni.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.